Our journey begins at a place we are all familiar with, our own desires. The desire for more wealth, more power, more stability. A pulsating, relentless craving that has gnawed at humanity since time immemorial. Yet these seemingly harmless yearnings pave the way for something far more sinister: greed. An insidious force, greed feeds on our most primal whims, twisting our desires till we are entrapped. The seeds of greed, we find, are sown right within the rich soil of these deep human desires. This, dear viewers, marks the origin of our primal greed. Greed, once it takes root, begins to spread, weaving chains that bind us at every turn. We plunge into these depths together, examining how these chains take shape in our lives. They manifest as relentless stress, gnawing at our peace. The bonds we cherish, strained, snap under the weight of unfulfilled desires. Our very contentment is held captive, leaving us in a perpetual state of dissatisfaction. Every corner of our existence bears the imprint of these chains, smothered by the shadow of greed. These, dear viewers, are the chains that greed deftly weaves around us. We now edge away from the tumultuous storm that is greed and whisk you away to a serene shore. Here, we encounter people who have dared to reject the excess and embrace simplicity. Their lives, stripped bare of all non-essentials, hold a calming allure. We find serenity, not in accumulation, but in letting go. Peace, we discover, is not fearful of scarcity, it thrives in sufficiency. In these tales of quiet resilience, we see the beauty of fulfillment that stems not from having more, but from being more. This is the tranquil realm of serenity found in simplicity. At this crossroads, we explore the diverse paths that herald one's liberation from greed. Each path is illuminated by the profound teachings of philosophies advocating for mindfulness and gratitude. We delve deeper, understanding how mindfulness slows our fast-paced desire to accumulate, teaching us to savor the beauty of the present. We learn about gratitude, a strong antidote to greed, which allows us to appreciate what we have rather than crave for more. These practices, carefully woven into our lives, guide us on our journey toward the liberation from the chains of greed. As we draw the curtains on our journey, we pause to reflect. From the chains of greed that once held us captive, we've wandered along the path of liberation, guided by mindfulness and gratitude. We reach a serene oasis, where the frenzied pursuit of more gives way to the acceptance of enough. The unveiling of this serenity reminds us of the freedom and peace that remain within our grasp. This, dear viewers, is not merely the end of our journey, but the beginning of your own. A journey towards liberation and serenity that awaits you.